Hi, and welcome to Digital Literacy Simplified. In this video, we'll explore an important application that everyone must learn. What are Google Apps? Google Apps are a set of tools developed by Google that help you work, communicate, and stay secure using the internet. Some of the most popular Google apps include Google Chrome, Gmail, Docs, and Google Drive. These tools are free and easy to use on any device. All you need is a Google account and an internet connection. Let's take a look at the most used apps. So on this list, Google Chrome, browsing the internet, Gmail, sending and receiving email, Drive for storing and sharing files, Docs for creating letters, resumes, agendas, and manuals, Sheets for creating spreadsheets and data analysis, Slides for creating professional presentations, and Gemini. It's an AI built into Google's apps, and we'll take a look at that later in this presentation. So let's learn more about the apps. Google Chrome is a secure web browser that allows you to access websites on the internet. Chrome is similar to other browsers like Microsoft Edge or Safari and is known for being faster and simpler to use than other browsers. Gmail is Google's free email service, which allows you to send, receive, and organize your email messages. Gmail is the most popular and most used email service globally, with the highest number of subscribers and the largest market share. Gmail's popularity is attributed to its user-friendly interface and seamless integration with other Google services. Stats vary and are not confirmed. Some say Gmail has over 1.2 billion active users with 25 to 36% of the market share for webmail services. Google Drive is a secure cloud storage service where you can store your files and access them from any device connected to the internet. A basic account includes free Google Drive file storage and can be upgraded for a fee if you need additional storage space. Google Docs Editor is a set of web-based Office tools that include a word processor, known as Docs, a spreadsheet, called Sheets, and a presentation app called Slides. Google also offers subscription services with additional tools for business customers. Google Workspace helps businesses improve team collaboration and productivity using secure web-based tools like Docs and Sheets and Slides, and also provides sharing and editing amongst team members. Google Workspace also provides security and IT administration, including uptime guarantees, spam filters, automatic updates, which are all beneficial for businesses without dedicated IT staff. Gemini AI is an AI assistant and can help users draft content, summarize text, proofread content, and generate images. Your free Google account offers access to the basic version of Gemini AI, but is still a very valuable tool for brainstorming, planning, and information gathering. Access to integrated Gemini AI features requires an eligible Google Workspace subscription or a personal Google AI premium plan. So here's some of the benefits of Google Apps. So a basic Google account is free. You just need to open Google in your Chrome browser or any other browser and follow the instructions to create an account. They're free. Google provides most of its apps for free, including the apps we've reviewed. You only need a Google account and an internet connection to access them. They're easy to use. Google Apps have simple, easy to navigate layouts. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. No installs or configurations needed on your computer. You can access them anywhere. All you need to access your account is an internet connection. Once you're signed in, you can access Google Apps and files from any device, including your smartphone, tablet, or computer. And Google Drive is a great way to keep your files safe, secure, and organized without using physical storage like external hard drives or USB drives. Security is kind of built into Google Apps. They offer robust built-in security measures, including strong encryption and advanced threat detection, which can provide significant protection against common online threats. However, these security benefits rely heavily on users following best practices to secure their accounts and manage sharing permissions effectively. So in summary, if you've used Office apps before, you'll become comfortable using Google Apps in no time. Google Apps are powerful, secure, easy to use tools that help you stay connected and organized in today's digital world. Whether you're browsing with Chrome, using Gmail, or creating docs in Drive, these apps will simplify tasks, improve efficiency, and collaboration. Google's apps will help you easily communicate and collaborate with team members, organize your work, and access information from anywhere. If your business needs tools for your team to collaborate more securely, efficiently, and you don't want to worry about tech issues, Google Workspace is for you. Hope you found this video helpful. Please be sure to like and follow our channel for how-to videos to help you develop the digital literacy skills you need to succeed. Thanks for watching.